are any sound effects that are made from a digital audio software, like the sound like, effect you hear if you get a question right or a question incorrect? These sounds are made from instruments in a computer software. Is it still halal to use and intentionally hear these sounds because they don't give us the same effect as music?
Ya Umar, Ya Umar, Ya Umar. The problem is musical instruments. This is what the Prophet ﷺ prohibited. So if I have a guitar and I pull one string and the string says ding, is this music? No, this is one tone. But if I make a chord and I start to play, this is music. Likewise, digital invented or created sounds. When you have a multiple choice question and you choose the wrong answer and you digitally make a sound, zzz, this is not music. There's no problem in that. Or if you have a correct answer, it goes ding. There's no problem in that. There is no music. There's no beat to it. There's no feeling of sensation listening to such things. A fire siren, there's no problem in that. An ambulance, there's no problem in that. And I hope this answers your question.